Welcome to another edition of Ask Snappy. I'm Abhinav Girdhar, founder of Appy Pie. Today's question comes from Norman from Georgia, United States, and he asked if he could use Appy Pie's website builder not only to create but even to monetize and earn revenue from his website. Yes, Norman, with Appy Pie's website builder, not only you can create your website, but you can also monetize your website. First, talk about creating your website. In order to do that, you need to go onto a website builder, click on the Get Started button. Once you are actually there in the main website builder, you have multiple features to choose from. So you could create a website for your e-commerce business, or you could actually create a normal blog website, or you can have some information about your business. So choose the various features that we have in a website builder and create your awesome website. Once your website is up and running and you're happy with the end results, then you can start monetizing it. In the monetization option, we do support Google AdSense and also Appy Pie's own network called AppyJump. You could use either of these two networks and start monetizing your website. The way both Google AdSense and AppyJump pays you is cost per impression. Cost per impressions mean cost per 1,000 impressions. What I mean by that is, once your website starts to get more and more popular, more and more people start to coming on your website, it means more impressions for your website. More impressions would result into more revenue for monetization. So that is one way of monetizing your website. Other ways could be setting up a store feature and start selling some physical goods, or even you could start some virtual goods on your websites. It could be an ebook, or it could be an online video, or it could be an audio file, or any other digital goods that you could basically sell. Other option could be taking sponsorships from various corporates and actually placing their banners on your websites and start adding more ad revenue coming onto your website. You could also actually do some paid consultation using the contact us feature or appointment feature, where people can come and book gigs of your specialized industry, and then you can start using the features that we have to do those online consultations using the video conferencing, and then you could charge the user for the paid gig that you are actually doing and earn revenue coming in from there as well. If you like this edition, then do share it on social media channels like Facebook and Twitter, and do remember to subscribe to our channel.